Hi guys! Magandang araw! That is good day in Filipino. I'm May and I'm going to show you how to make a fantastic side dish or salad for your summer barbecues. Ensaladang Kulawo is two dishes combined into one. It's grilled aubergine, tomatoes, red onion and garlic with coconut cream dressing. Creamy deliciousness. If that sounds good to you, come and join me cook. You'll need grilled aubergine, red onions, tomatoes, garlic, coconut cream, salt and pepper. 1 whole lemon and some chives for garnish. So the first thing we need to do is grill the barbecue, but before you do that you need to make some holes into your aubergine so it doesn't explode, and it has happened before, so it's really important that you poke some holes into your aubergine. You can use your grill or your barbecue for this. Cook your aubergine on all sides. So put the heat from medium to high. It doesn't matter if you burn the skin because we are going to peel this off. And that adds to the flavor. Kulawo is usually a dish with banana blossoms and coconut milk. Of course, this is regional, so other places might use talong or aubergine. Kulawo has a unique way of enhancing its flavor by adding hot coal on the grated coconut meat, letting it burn out some of the coconut, and then it's poured with vinegar. The coal is taken out before squeezing the coconut milk. This is then added to the dish to make the kulawo. Once the aubergine is cooked, leave it on the side to cool down before peeling. Peel the skin off the aubergine like this. Don't worry too much if you leave a little bit of skin. It's okay, that will add to the flavor. And the smoky flavor is so good. Once they are peeled, I poured out the excess water and I wiped the rest of the water with kitchen roll. Now we're going to flatten the aubergine and prepare to add the other ingredients to make it into a nice, delicious salad. So using a fork, flatten the aubergine just like this. Enchilada is usually with grilled aubergine, tomatoes, onions and a vinaigrette. Putting these two dishes together is a perfect marriage. Made in heaven. Now we are ready to put our salad together. First things first, you need to add your coconut cream, just like this. Because I grilled the aubergine, I didn't use the usual technique with the coal, but you still get the smoky taste with it. Next up is add your chopped garlic, just like this. Then add your red onions, leave some for garnish later. Add some tomatoes, leaving some for garnish as well. And to season your salad, add some salt and some pepper, just like this. Then squeeze the lemon into the salad, making sure that no seeds fall off. We are almost finished. Lastly, you want to give this a really good mix, just like this. Now the last thing you need to do is add your toppings, and then it's off to me for the very important part, tasting. That is delicious. I can taste the charred aubergine, and it's got the smoky taste, which is really nice. And you have the coconut cream. It's so fresh and sweet, and then you'll get the citrusy flavor from the lemon, and then you'll have all the spices, the onions and garlic as well in there, and it's really balanced actually. And I think this is going to be a very nice side dish, or to complement a barbecue dish that you might be serving. But overall, I think as a side, this is going to be a star. So guys, I hope you like this video and this dish. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, like and press the bell for more videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Bye. Paalam.